Welcome students. Class 9 Maths Part 1st, Lesson number 2, Real Numbers, and we are going to study decimal form of irrational numbers, that is to find the square root of 2, 3 and 5 by division method. Let us see how to find the square root of 2. Square root of 2, in square root 2 it is an irrational number, and the decimal expansion of irrational number is always non-terminating, non-recurring type. Now let us see how to find the square root of 2. Now write this number in this way. If we have to find the decimal expansion up to 3 decimal places, then put 6 zeros on 2, that is 2.000000. If you have to find the decimal form up to 2 decimal places, you can put 4 zeros on 2 point. Now next step is grouping of numbers. Grouping of numbers can be done on both sides of a decimal point. From decimal point to right side, make grouping of 2 zeros, here also 2 zeros. On the left side of decimal, make grouping of this 2. Now the next step is, here consider number 2. Now find such a number whose square is equal to 2 or less than 2. If we see 1 into 1 will be 1 and 2 into 2 will be 4. So this 4 is greater than 2, so we don't take this number, and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This 1 is less than 2, therefore we take that number 1 whose square is 1, which is less than 2. Then we write here 1, here also 1, we add 1 to this 1, now it will be 2, we subtract 1 from this 2, therefore we get 1. Now here is the decimal point, therefore we put decimal here. We take a complete group over this 1, so number is now 100. Now we have to put such a number on 2, so that multiplying by the same number we get the value equal to 100 or less than 100. For this purpose, if we divide this 10 by 2, we get 5. So if we put 5 and on 2 and multiply by 5, we get number 125. This 125 number is greater than 100, therefore we don't take 5 here. If we take 4 on 2 and multiply by 4, we get 96. Now let us see, this 96 is less than 100 and closer to this 100. Therefore we put 4 here, here 4, we add here 4 and subtract 96 from 100. So 100 minus 96 is 4 here, and 24 plus 4 is 28. Now take group of 2 zeros on this 4. So number is now 400 and here is the number 28. Now divide this 4 by 2. We get number 2. 4 divided by 2 will be 2. And if we put 2 on 28 and multiply by 2, then we get 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 564. That number is greater than 400. This number is greater than 400. Therefore, we take 1 on 28 and multiply by it by 1. Therefore, we get the number 281. Now this number 281 is less than 400 and closer to 400. Therefore, we write here 1, here 1, add 1 to this number, and this will be 282, and subtract 281 from the 400. So 10 minus 1 is a 9, 10 minus 9 is a 1, carry 1, 4 minus 3 is a 1, so it will be 190. Now take one more group of 2 zeros on 190. So this number is 11,900 and here is a 282. Now divide this 11 by 2. So we get what? 2 5s are 10. So that we got a number 5. If we put the number 5 on 282 and multiply this 5, then let us see what we get. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is a 12, carry 1, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 1, 41, carry 4, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 is a 14. That number will be 14,125. Now let us see, this number is greater than this number. Therefore, we can't take 5 on the 282. Now we take the number 4 on 282 and multiply by that number. So what we get? See, 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is a 9, 4 8s are 32, carry 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So we got number 11,296. This number is less than 11,900 and it is closer to this number. So we take 4 on 282 and write 4 here and also add 4 in this number. So what will here will be 8, 2 8, 2 8, and we subtract this number from this number, 11,296. 10 minus 6 is a 4, 10 minus 10 is a 0, carry 1, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3 is a 6. So we got this number 604, and this process goes on repeating here, and we have find here the square root up to the 3 decimal places. So we write this as a root 2 is equal to 1.414 dash dash dash. Now let us find the square root of 3. So write this 3 in this way and write 6 zeros on 3. If we have to find decimal form up to 3 places, we put 6 zeros on this decimal point, and grouping of zeros on the right side of decimal are up to 2 zeros, and on the left side is a 3 only. Now select number, such a number whose square is a 3 or less than 3. If we take numbers 1 into 1, we get 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This 4 is greater than 3, therefore we don't take this 2. And 1 into 1 is 1, and which is less than 3, we take 1, we select 1 here and write 1 here. Here also we have to write 1. Add 1 to this number and subtract this 1 from 3. Here we get 2, here we get 2. Now decimal point, put decimal point on 1. Take 2 zeros, that is take complete a group of 2 zeros. Don't take only 1 zero. Now number is 200 and here is a 2. Now let us find such a number on 2 so that by multiplication by the same number we get number less than or equal to 200, that is closer to 200. If we divide this 20 by 2, we get a 10, but we don't take 10 on the number 2 because that number will become 210 and it will be greater than 200. Therefore let's take 9 on 2 and multiply by 9, multiply by the same number. So what will here? 9 9s are 81, carry 8, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8 is a 26. So 261, that number is greater than 200, therefore we don't take 9. If we take 8 on 2, that is 28, we multiply by 8, 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 is 224. This 224 number is also greater than 200, therefore we didn't take 8 also. Now take 7, so 27 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. And this number 189 is less than 200 now, and it is closer to 200, therefore we write here 7. So here answer 7. Add 7 to this number, so it will be 34. Subtract 189 from 200, so we get here 11, remains 11. Now take another 2 zeros on this 11, so number will be 1100, and select number on this 34. For this purpose, divide 11 by 3. If we divide 11 by 3, 3 3s are 9, we get a 3. Therefore we write 3 on 34 and multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So this number is closer to this number and less than this number. Therefore we take here 3, right answer 3, add 3 here and subtract 1029 from this number. So we have 346 here, and what will remain here is a 10 minus 9 is a 1, carry 1, 10 minus 3 is a 7, carry 1, so what will remain is 71 there. Now take the next group 0 0 on this number. Now find the number which is to be put on the 346 number, so that divide this 7 by 3, we get a 6. So we can put the number 2 on the 346 and multiply by 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 3s are 6. Therefore number is 6924, and this number is less than this number and closer to this number. Therefore we take 2 here, answer is the 2, add 2 here and subtract 6924 from this number. 10 minus 4 is a 6, carry 1, 10 minus 3 is a 7, carry 1, therefore 11 minus 10 is a 1, carry 1, so we get 176. This process is a non-terminating process and non-recurring process. This will go on non-terminating, therefore we write root 3 is equal to 1.732 dash dash here. Now this 2 plus 2 is a 4 and 6, 3 4 6 4. If we have to tally this answer, this number should be double of this number. If we multiply 1732 by 2, we get 3464. In this way we can tally the answer. Now let us see how to find square root of 5. So write this 5 in the box. So we take 6 zeros on 5, as we have to find the decimal form up to 3 decimal places. Now select 5. Find such a number whose square is equal to 5 or less than 5. If we take numbers, 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So thus the number whose square is equal to 5 or less than 5 is a 2. Therefore we select here 2, write answer 2 and add 2 to this number, and 2 square is a 4. We subtract 4 from this number, so we get 1 here and here is a 4. We put decimal on number 2. Here groups are these two groups are, take one group on 1, that will be 100. Now we have to select number on 4. For this purpose, divide this 10 by 4. If we divide 10 by 4, we get 10 to the 8. So we can select here 2 on 4. That will be 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. That number will be 84. If we select 3 on 4, that will be 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. So that number 129 will be greater than 100. So we don't take 3, so we take a 2 here. And write 2 on 4, write answer 2, add to this number, so it will be 44. Subtract this 84 from 100, and what will remain is a 16 here, and take 2 zeros on 16. So number will be 1600 now. Now divide this 16 by 4. 4 4 are 16. So if we put 4 on 44 and multiply by number it by 4, then 4 4 are 16, 4 4 are 16 plus 1 17, carry 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, that will be 1776. That is greater than this number. So we take 3 on 44, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is a 13. So that 1329 is less than 1600, and this is closer to 1600. So proper number is a 3. Therefore we take put 3. Answer is a 3. Add 3 to this number. So this is a 6, 4 4 6, and we subtract 1329 from this number. 10 minus 9 1, carry 1, 10 minus 3 7, carry 1, 6 minus 4 is a 2. That number will be 271 here. Now take another 2 zeros on this number, and we have to select number on here. Now divide this 27 by 4. If we divide 27 by 4, we get 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, and 4 7s are 28. So 4 6s are 24. If we put 4 4 6, and here 4 6s are 24, if we take a 6, what will happen? Let us multiply. 6 6s are 36, 6 6s are 36 plus 3 39, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3 27, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26. So that number is 26,796. So this number is less than this number, and this number is closer to this number. Therefore we select a 6 here. We write 6 here. We add 6 to this number. So it will be 6 plus 6 12, and that will be 4 4 7 2. We subtract 2 6 7 9 6 from this number. 10 minus 6 is a 4, carry 1, 10 minus 10 0, so carry 1, 11 minus 8 is a 3, carry 1, 7 7 0 2 2 0. That number is a 304. Thus we have find the answer up to 3 decimal places, and this process goes on repeating, that is non-terminating process, and answer of root 5 is a 2.236 dash dash.